Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm going to talk about a word, and the word is above. The spelling of the word is A-B-O-V-E, above. And the meaning of the word is upore, beshi, ba age. Now here are some sentences using above. We are flying above the clouds. Inflation is above 6%. Temperatures have been above average. All the above are to be included. I heard some noises coming from the room above. Please write to us at the above address. A score of 70 or above will get you an A. So right now I'm going to drill two sentences. Inflation is above 6%. Inflation is above 6%. Inflation is about 6%. Inflation is about 6%. Inflation is about 6%. মুদ্রাস্ফীতি বা মূল্যস্ফীতি বা মূল্য বৃদ্ধি 6%-এরও বেশি। Temperatures have been above average. 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 তাপমাত্রা সাধারণের চেয়ে ঊর্ধ্বে. Thank you very much.